Hey guys, Antonio here with a brand new video on Captivate, how to make a killer first impression. Normally when you meet someone, you make a judgment off of if you like them or if you don't like them within the first 2 seconds. And that's usually before you even hear them talk. So how do we make a good first impression? Normally that comes down to the way you do things and not how you say something, right? Because if you can't even get words out within the first 2 seconds, you may have already have that judgment against you. So the reason why we do this, just to give you a quick background, it's a quick way for our minds to determine if someone is good or bad. Way back when you need to determine if someone's going to kill you because you don't know anything about them, and not in like a society where, you know, people are okay with each other. The whole deal is that you need to decide really fast to see if the person was good or bad. And there's 3 different levels of trust here. The first is, are you my friend? Are you going to be someone who I can, you know, say that is nice? Second level is, are you a winner? Okay? A winner or a loser. If you're a winner, I want to associate myself with a winner because that makes me also seem like a winner to other people. If you're a loser, I don't want to associate myself with you. And the third is, are you an ally? Are you on my team and are you going to help me get to where I want to go? Or are you going to prevent me from where I want to go? That's the deepest level, okay? It's slightly different than being a friend. So there's 3 skills here that we're going to talk about in order to make a better first impression, and each one has to do with deciding each level of trust, if we think they're a friend, a winner, and an ally. So the first one is use your hands. They did a study on the best TED Talkers, okay? The best TED Talkers use their hands twice as much as the worst TED Talkers did. Your hands show your intention. They show where you're really coming from. If your hands are out and open, then people can see that you don't have a weapon or you're not hiding something. But if I have my hands in my pocket, then it looks like I'm hiding something, or behind my back, I may be hiding something, right? People like to see hands, they like to see your hands moving. So when you meet someone for the first time, try to keep your hands out and visible, not behind a computer, not inside your jacket pockets, not inside your pants pockets. You want them out in the open so they can see, and use them when you talk to them, because what that does is it keeps you open and it makes them think that you're their friend, okay? We don't want them to think that we're an enemy. That's the first step. The second skill that we need to have here is confidence, okay? Confidence is the key sign that someone is a winner and not a loser. People who are not confident are losers and no one wants to be around them. You want to be around someone with high confidence. Now, how do we show confidence? You want to be able to have an open body language, open, confident body language. Your arms down to the side open, your back and chest out, right? You want to hold your head up high. Higher is better than looking down, right? You don't want to hold it too high because then you just look fake. You just want to keep it high enough, this way your head is held up high and you're focused and you're confident. You want to take up space. That's what winners do, you know? You don't stand like this, you stand out, okay? My arms are taking up space, my legs are comfortably apart. These types of things make me have a confident stance. That's what we want to have. Okay, that's how we get them to think that we're a winner. And the third thing to make them think that we're on their team is using eye contact. Going back to the TED Talkers, the best TED Talkers looked at specific people in their audience as they were talking. And what that did was it created a level of connection, a level of, I'm on the same side as you, okay? And that made the other person feel connected with the speaker on stage and help them trust them more and say, this person is on my side and they want to help me. Versus if they were dodging eye contact, meaning that they were nervous or trying to hide something, that made the person think that they were trying to hide something and not do something that would be like someone on their team. So the tip that they give here is that you want to meet someone's gaze 60 to 70% of the time. More than that is too creepy and people will think that you're going to injure them in some way, and less than that shows that you're not too confident and not genuine. So the eye contact creates this connection that you don't have without the eye contact. So In summary, there's 3 skills that you need to use here in order to make a good first impression. Keep your hands out and open, visible, this way people can trust you. Second is confidence, having a confident body stance where your arms and legs are taking up space and your head's held up high and your chest is out. These things make people think that you're a winner. And last is eye contact, to build a true connection with someone else where they believe that you are on their team and want to help them. So if you enjoyed today's video on how to make a first impression, guys, please make sure to subscribe, donate to me on Patreon, buy the book on Amazon, and guys, as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.